cave of the heart. Om. Passing, as if you're, oh, here is that guy. I know. Here it is, or there it is. So that is what the Om and Shanti says. I have found it, Eureka. So now that mind is aware not only of the five sheaths bodies, but and do nothing. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside. Open the eyes inside. Bring your hands down. We'll share our experiences. How are you, Kate?
Good morning, everybody. Namaste. Nice to see you all. Yeah, that was very pleasant. I had a little drop in the five sheaths. Took a little time, but otherwise pleasant.
Good, good. So, how are you, Rakesh?
Thank you, sir. Uh, I I reached to the state where I discovered the stillness throughout, and also uh, very peaceful. But however, in those moments, I started having cough. So that for a moment, uh, that was the diversion. But the stillness
Good,
was
good,
very, very strong.
good, 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 good. That's another way to say it is good. Are you, Brandy?
Morning. Thank you. I'm good. Mine was really deep and relaxing and peaceful. And the same as Saturday, I think right when you were like, so you're not going to sleep, I think I fell asleep again. But then I woke up and I was back in it.
Good, good. That's good. Yeah, we should going beyond 5 sheets, and it's a constant experience. We'll talk a little bit later. How are you, Rakesh? Rakesh is done. How are you, Ashok? See the causal body. Yeah,
I'm good, sir. Good and peaceful. Good.
good and peaceful. Very good. Are you, Lalit?
Yes, sir. It was an amazing experience, and I really enjoyed it. And I wanted to be in that state for more time. It was really
Yeah,
amazing
yeah.
experience.
Listen to it, contemplate and reflect again and again. How are you, Samir?
Sir, very relaxing.
Very relaxed.
Everything penetrating inside and total stiffness in the body, total darkness,
Yeah,
total stillness, not feeling like to think anything, just listening to your voice.
that, yeah, even that is the stiffness, stillness, darkness we all might be experiencing. They are good. How are you, Anesthesia?
Thank you very much. It was very deep, full, and peaceful, and I was just absorbed by this darkness, and I had some thoughts, but I just watched them, look at them, and yeah, it was timeless, melting.
Yeah, yeah, good. One thing I want to say when we see the dark space and the darkness, it is still a projection of the mind. So when we transcend that projection, then we go deeper. Why it is a projection? Because the mind knows all the five sense organs. Mind is not passing through all the five sense organs is to recognize any object. So that is all a gradation and a journey of moving from lower to the higher consciousness. How are you, Vaibhav?
So it was really good. It was very peaceful. It's like that in the moment of stillness, everything stops, and then there was a bright light, and after that, it was happening frequently. Like everything that stops, then there was a bright light. Then thoughts comes, then it stops, and then again there's a bright light, and it was
Yes,
peaceful.
yes, bright light also appears in the mind. So one is a projected darkness, another projection is also the light. So we will understand what they really mean. But बड़ी तेज से आवाज आ रही है प्रभु जी फोन की। अच्छा वह okay, sir. So so this projected brightness we can say according to the teaching is deeper than the projected darkness. How it is deeper? we will understand. So, is there any question, my friend? No question. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste. Thank you.
Namaste.